Y'all, what the fuck? I'm gonna clean up this shit in a minute. I don't want anything that touched the fucking table and my bowl. So that's why I'm just throwing that shit to the side. Because I want to. Want this all the way in the frame. What the fuck? This is so annoying. Let me break these in half to make it fit. Alright, this is enough spaghetti for the first attempt. Let's break this in half again. It's still gonna taste the same, I don't care if I'm making it like fucking rice. And I hate how the shit is like making my face look blurry from the light and stuff, but whatever. Okay, so we're gonna clean this rice up later. Literally, it's stuck in the placemat. But let's go ahead. Oh yeah, I made a trip to the dermatologist recently. I'll put it in there for 3 minutes. 3. Alright y'all, this is what it looks like. I might need to push that down, but really I don't feel like doing that. What I want is for it to just go down by itself, but I'm just gonna push it down anyways myself. Alright y'all, I'm kind of lazy, but I'm also a hard worker. So anyways, we got a plastic fork to push it down. This is my first time cooking spaghetti in the microwave. There we go, it's down enough. Let's turn it back on. They look like they are progressing. 2 more minutes. Actually, no, I'm not too sure about that. That's enough. Okay, let's see. Okay, this looks done. I'm gonna put it in for 1 more minute and then check it again. Alright y'all, don't forget, I just went to the dermatologist, so my skin about to be very clear. I fucked that clip up, but it's okay. Anyways, let's take this out the microwave. Ooh, this is hot. But I know these noodles are done, so we're gonna pour some of this out. I don't give a fuck, I'm not straining my noodles. That's just extra dishes. Hopefully my noodles are not soggy, because if they are, I'm gonna try again. But I doubt it. Ooh, this is so hot. Here y'all, let's put this in here. I'm gonna be eating out of this. I hate when I use these. I think this came from the Restaurant Depot. And people be asking me stupid questions like, ooh, what's that? Bitch, you are not eating my food. Why the fuck do you care what I'm eating? Like, I don't recall ever asking anybody what they're eating. Like my coworkers, I don't recall asking any of them what they're eating for lunch. I don't care. Why are you so weird? Why do you care what I'm eating? I just feel like I've never asked anybody what they're eating for lunch. Not unless they asked me and I was just trying to like carry a conversation out of being cordial. But never have I ever initiated a fucking conversation with my coworkers by asking them what they're eating for lunch. I don't care. Why do you care what another grown person is eating? This is my belly. Why the fuck do you care what I put in my belly? It's just ridiculous. I hate that the lighting is so fucked up. But right now, the video is not about me being cute. The video is about these noodles. Let me see if I can get a better angle. I guess this is better. Okay, y'all, I've been having to go to work earlier now, like recently, and I just feel like, I have been skipping the gym. I've been consistent until yesterday. Yesterday. I've been consistent. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna keep being consistent because I don't think it's smart to like be looking, crazy just for a job and they don't even act grateful when you're there. Like, bitch, fuck you. Fuck you, honestly. So anyways, let's put these noodles in here. I'm trying not to get too much excess water. These noodles taste well done and not, they look well done and not soggy. The old me, the greedy me, would have tasted it before I put it in here. But it's very late and I'm eating this for lunch tomorrow. So yeah, just because I don't feel like cooking anything, but I need some calories in my body. They say food gives you energy, right? They teach you that in health class. This is the food that's gonna help my energy level. Oh, y'all, hold on. Okay, I need to hurry up. My phone is in my pocket and I'm on FaceTime with my cousin. I need to hurry up and get back on the phone with her. This shit right here. This is enough for me. Let's taste these noodles out of here. Okay, they taste good. My mom be saying like, you eat crunchy spaghetti, you don't cook the noodles all the way. Well, I like it like this, so I'm gonna eat it like this. And as you can see, it's cooked. I'm about to put the spaghetti sauce in here. That's upstairs because it's mine. I bought this today. I went grocery shopping today, and I'm gonna put some clips from that in here. I've been having to like use my voice a lot at work, but like talk loudly over, people. And so my voice is like, it needs to heal type shit. It needs to heal. Anyways, I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I'm upstairs now. Let's put this sauce in here. And then, just a reminder, I'm putting this in the mini fridge. This right here. So I'm not just playing with food in my room, This is going in the mini fridge, which is literally right there. Because I bought this for me, not the people. I'm not going to mix it up because I don't feel like it'll get mixed up eventually. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Hold on. This is supposed to pop open. There we go. I got it, y'all. I'm gonna pour all of it in here. Actually, no. This is enough. Previously, when I thought I put enough, I did not. So now I always put a lot of sauce. It's literally, this is what it looks like around the perimeter. It's literally just sauce at the top. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna stir it tomorrow when I get ready to eat it. Okay, I was gonna cook ground beef, but I don't feel like cooking it. And this took like 10 minutes to cook in the microwave. So yeah, I don't care if my clips add up to more than 10 minutes. I don't give a fuck. I was doing shit. My phone was on the charger. Well, I came upstairs to put it on the charger. But eventually I'll be able to estimate how many minutes I need to cook my spaghetti in the microwave without having to restart it multiple times. I tried these, by the way, but my hair wasn't done when I did the review, so I never posted it. But these taste disgusting. Let me show y'all what it is. I feel like y'all can tell. Here it is, Red Robin. This shit tastes so nasty. Oh my goodness, I literally threw my fries in the trash. I feel like nasty fries can be salvaged with sauce or whatever, but not these. These taste terrible. They taste terrible, but I lost my receipt. I'm gonna start getting digital receipts all the time so I can return shit, because I already told y'all I'll be quick to return shit. This right here, this is getting returned. I don't want this shit. I don't want it, so that's why this is in here. I'm gonna return this probably on Saturday when I get around to it. I just bought this like 2 days ago. It's the small one, it's the mini one, because I told y'all it's just for me. I don't need to be sharing with everybody. That is not the type of shit that I like to do. You know what I'm saying? You get what you want and I'm gonna get what I want. Period. Period. And this is old. I did not get a new MacBook recently. That's old. That's from years ago. I don't know why I didn't throw it away yet, but I'm gonna throw it away soon. So I'm about to make spaghetti because I want a budget. This spaghetti is cheap. There's somebody behind me. This video messing up my cooking video. I'm burning it with you.